Hey there! So we are at Taza Tiffins in Nagol, and we just ordered a few things. I actually found this place again on Zomato only, and it looked like the Bangalore kind of tindi that we get over there, because I remember visiting a place when I was in Bangalore called Taza Tindi, and this somewhat resonated. So let's look at what we got. As you can see, we have a single puri over here. We have a single idli, Mysore bonda and vada. This is the ghee karam dosa or masala dosa and one. Let's just open and see. Okay, here is the masala dosa and here is the ghee karam dosa, as you can see. They are really nice. So let me just get started and tell you how they are. So I'm just gonna try the puri first. Oh, Vishal, you're gonna like this. The sabji is also very nice. It reminds me of the Karnataka style only. And now let's have it with the chutney too. The chutney is a little different. I can taste coconut as well as peanut in it, which is good. I think Vishal's gonna like this. Let me just give him a bite. Vishal, try this. It's nice, right? It's something that you will definitely like, I knew it. Chalo, let's try the idli now. Oh, it's soaked in chutney. It's really nice. Can you see this? How pretty it looks. Let's have the vada too. Oh, the vada is soft. I'm able to cut it with a spoon. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I can taste the urad dal in it, which is very nice. Now let's try the Mysore bonda. A very neutral flavor. It doesn't really have much of a taste, but that's how usually Mysore bonda is. And now let's try the masala dosa. This is something I absolutely like. As you can see, there's a whole lot of chutney or whatever, red chutney on it too, and it's crispy. It's very crispy. So as you can see, let me just take some masala along with it. Oh, I dropped the masala. Oh, it's so good. Really nice. And Vishal's favorite now, the ghee karam dosa. If you can see specks of the karam podi or the modaga podi in it, and onion too. This is very nice. So let me make sure that you are getting all of it. Let me take a little bit of masala and onions and the podi too. Vishal, you're gonna like this. I need to give Vishal a bite too. It's really nice. Have a bite. Did you like it? No, Vishal is nodding his head yes. So let's get started and finish the whole thing. And if we get something else, I'll let you know. So we went ahead and ordered two more different varieties. This over here is the ragi dosa, as you can see. It's made with ragi and it has like onions and stuff. And then we have the upma pesaretto. Let me just open this up. Oh my god. Yeah, it's filled with upma, as you can see. And onions and green chilli. Looks very tempting. I mean, upma pesaretto is something that's very specific to Hyderabad and like Andhra, Telangana thing. So let's give that a try. It's piping hot. I can actually see the steam coming off of it. Let me give it a try. Oh, there's a kadhi patta. Take that off. There you go. I can actually not even hold it. It's very hot. Upma is very neutral in flavor. I can taste more of the onions more than anything else. It's not spicy, and the peserettu itself is actually pretty soft rather than crunchy. Oh, it's so hot, but I just can't stop eating it. It's so nice. Now moving on to the ragi dosa. I can tell this is very, very crisp. So let's just take a piece off. Take some onion. It somehow tastes a little sweet. I think it's because of the onions actually. The dosa itself doesn't really have like a particular specific taste to it. I mean, it tastes like a normal dosa to me. There's no ragi taste. It's a little nuttier than a normal dosa. I think that's the ragi taste coming. But the rest of it, it just tastes like a normal dosa to me. It's really nice. Let me feed Vishal a bite too. Do you like it, Vishal? Vishal will give you his review too. And the ragi dosa. I think Taza Tiffins is actually a good option if you are near Nagol or Bandlaguda. So let him try the ragi dosa. It's nice, na, ragi dosa? I'm just gonna hand over the mic to Vishal. Vishal will give you his review even though you'll be seeing me. Vishal, how did you like the different stuff? Idli?
Everything was nice. I like the puri, and upma pesret is also nice.
Yeah. I'm gonna continue eating. You give your review. And you like the puri and this thing, right? The masala karam.
Yeah, the ghee karam dosa was also nice. But main thing, I wanted to have the Mysore bhaji, but that we should have come in the morning. We came in the evening, so it's kind of a little late. So if we come morning, then probably it will be a little more crispy is what I'm thinking.
Yeah. So we'll finish this and let you know how we like the other stuff. So I was just standing here and there was chai and coffee being made over there, and I smelled the most amazing ginger tea. So how can I leave without trying it? Oh my god, it's hot. Vishal just got it. And Vishal got himself a coffee. So as you can see, there's one chai and one coffee. I can't even hold it, Vishal. It's that hot. Let's just wait for it and give it a try. The ginger flavor, and it's not even overtly sweet like you get in many spots. It's like that perfect amount of sweetness. It's like that fiki chai basically. It has that light sweetness in the background and it tastes so good, so good. No matter how humid it is, chai is one thing that lifts up moods for me, and it's something that I absolutely love to drink. So let's give Vishal the opportunity to try the coffee. Let me be behind the camera now. Hi Vishal. So Vishal is on camera for the first time. Actually, he might make background appearances. So Vishal, here you go. I'll be your sound guy. There you go. Vishal promised that he would make an appearance. How's the coffee?
Taza appearance.
How's the coffee?
Hot. It's good. It's not way too strong. It's not too light as well.
Okay.
Somewhat like what I basically drink at home. There is not that excess of coffee, sugar as well in this thing.
So there you go. We are in the screen together now, and I think this is a very good place to actually try. It's very affordable. It's not. It's like what do you call that? I think 180 was 10 bucks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the menu here starts from 10 rupees, which is like very, very good. So let's finish our chai and see you guys in the next one.
Cheers.
Bye.